what kind of lawyer works the least hours? That's a couple of different answers to that question. One of the things that I would say is that government jobs are pretty awesome because the hours aren't going to be as bad in government jobs. When I first started, my first job, I was working in the Justice Department in Washington, D.C., and I couldn't believe it. People would start rolling in there around 9:30, 10, and then by 5 o'clock, it would be completely empty pretty much, or 5:30, there would just be no one there. You can have a home life, and they're very prestigious jobs. Anything that's deadline intensive, which is typically litigation, corporate, and other things are going to result in a lot of hours because if a company is being sold, you're going to need to have all the paperwork done. There's real estate in the transaction happening. That's going to need to be done in a certain amount of time. Now, things that don't have big deadlines associated with them are practice areas like trust and estates, ERISAs, tax laws, anything that doesn't have major deadlines and things associated with it that are going to require you to work hard. But trust and estates is typically a very good one. A lot of times patent attorneys, because the work is very intensive in terms of the thinking processes, you don't need to work huge hours in that either. Again, the trade-off is when you go into a practice area where you don't have to work a lot of hours, it's going to be much more difficult to earn a lot of money.